I can't fucking believe it. Within minutes, another one just popped out there. Look, right there. Minutes. Did not take off from Sydney Airport. Heavy duty chemtrail in Sydney, Australia. Heavy duty chemtrail in Sydney, Australia. Another ghost just appeared in the sky. I call them a ghost now because they physically don't take off from airports or land. I've monitored the control tower. Control towers in any airports have absolutely nothing to do with them anyway. Whether they know or not, or it's a big government secret, God knows. But I can assure you, this thing pops out of nowhere, appears out of thin air, dissolves into thin air, turns into orbs, shapeshifts into something else. I would just love to know what they're bloody up to. Look at this. New World Order. Dirty World Shifty Order. Now we've got another ghost. This ghost is going into a different direction to its brother that just went past like 4 minutes ago. I'm absolutely shocked. I've been chasing them for a while, but I've never seen one pop out after the other one every, 4 minutes. Check him out. Look at that. See the vapour behind it? It actually absolutely chucked a zigzag. That's a funny airplane. And this one's quiet. The other one made some really noisy jet propulsion sounds. Look at this ghost. Look. Can't hear nothing. Look at him.